And he was very, very sad. Children are sad things.
Obediah Thomas has been performing school assemblies since 1999, captivating K-6 students with his high-energy, interactive shows.
Think and do the right thing. She got off her electric sander.
His ability to engage and inspire kids makes each performance a fun and memorable experience with a lasting positive impact.
I'm sorry, Mr. Payphone.
He offers 3 popular assembly programs: Bye Bye Bully, The Character Count Show, and Stop, Think, Act.
Not too much, not too much. You gotta go slowly.
Each show combines music, humor, and plenty of audience participation to keep students engaged while delivering important messages.
We made up some sense.
I'm the biggest kid in the room. I'm big and I'm tough.
Bye Bye Bully helps students understand what bullying is, how to handle it, and how to prevent it from happening in the first place.
You be you.
The Character Count Show teaches students how to be more responsible, respectful, trustworthy, and kind.
Straighten up in the air like that. You might have to move it or it might change size like that.
Stop, Think, Act is an upbeat, interactive show that tackles social emotional skills in a fun and engaging way.
Oh, I'm gonna get you so good, you better watch out.
Obediah brings learning to life, leaving students entertained, empowered, and inspired to make positive choices every day.